In my video, the LotBot Base Project that's found on my YouTube channel, LotBot Robotics, I was talking about using a switch when connecting a Lipo battery with an XT60 connector. As you can see, it takes two hands to make this connection. So if you wanted to make the connection and turn on a switch to do some checking of some sort, it would be very difficult to do since you needed to pull these two plugs together. So what I did is I made this little switch. And so what I wanted to do, just mention how I made the switch in case somebody has any problems with it. The switch fits in just like the XT60 on the Lipo, and it doesn't turn on until you hit the switch. So, and you can turn it off and then do some other things, and you can come back, and you don't have to keep plugging in the battery to do any testing while you're doing your development. So, okay, so the switch is a very simple thing to put together. I'm sure you all can just see how it is, and you don't really need any instruction, but just in case, you get a male and a female XT60 connector, and you basically cut off the terminals on the plus side, these two right here, these two terminals, just cut those off, and then you take a little two-prong switch. You're going to have to bend these terminals here, such like this, and then you can actually stick enough of that in there that it'll hold a little bit so you can solder it. And then so solder that after this terminal, this part here was already cut off. So just solder that, and then you can solder the top terminals together. And then since this will be in here like this, it's fairly easy to solder that together too with a little pressure. Okay, the end result is you have this, and then you'll be able to put it in and put your plug in and be able to do any kind of development and turn your system on anytime you want and turn it off. I hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching.